I'm trying to give what is the architecture of data warehouse actually. What type of architecture behind in our industry, right? Are you able to see properly? These are the architecture actually data warehouse. If you see the left side, there is the business process, right? If you suppose we are go in any industry, you want to from scratch, you want to design the data warehouse concept in particular any industry. Then what is the basic requirement? What will be the structure there? There is actually first is the business process. You understand the business model. Okay, what is the business there? Like balancing, analyzing, modeling, business processing kind of. Then second, like business process of flow modeling. Okay, what is the process flow? Suppose you go in the retail industry. There is retail industry. There is some product which ready-made product will pick from other company and then sell, right? The kind of business or some industry from scratch to in like preparing that product, right? Manufacturing that product, then sold, selling kind of concept is there. So you understand first your business model. Okay, what a business model and process, then what is the process flow, then understand what is the data flow, right? Okay, what is the data flow means how what is the processing actually. If there is the manufacturing, then manufacturing requires some raw material, then you prepare the your finished good. Once finished good ready, then you go for retail outlet, means for selling to customers, individual, right? These concept you know first, then it comes in picture in data model. Then how to design your data models. Okay, what type of data model we create. Suppose just like I've taken example as a manufacturing requires some raw material tables and some finished good table kind of, and some machinery and other things you need to keep in information you do. Then that kind of design you need to design your data models, right? After that you design your relational database, which one is source system 1 2 3, so that because you know, data warehouse concept, you just prepare some backup server as well, right? So that's why I created first as this one. Suppose if any issue happen in during the running time, then your server can switch in other one. There is no happening because otherwise it will be issue. So always just keep in mind, if you're going to design data warehouse, that concept will come. Your backup server also will be there in standby, right? So here is saying okay, some relational database will use like source system. Here is showing the source system like ERP, another thing. Uh, Source system 2 3, like any Oracle ERP you are connecting. Suppose if you are working in industry like a time card and other things, whatever source system 2 like SSIS have been SQL server. Here is SAP, there is Oracle, there are three source. Now file system, file source is suppose some where is using Excel, somewhere is using text file given, someone is using by XML. So that file, that source also will include in our data warehouse concept. Then our ETL designing ETL process will comes in picture. So we extract this data in our Informatica, extract data cleaning, data pooling, right? Then we transformation, aggregation, filtering, joining, sorting, whatever we want according to our requirement, will apply these rules under the transformations. Then data will load, like creation and execution of workflow, because we are loading the data through workflow. So we create the creation of a workflow and the load data in our target table. These are the basic concept in under data warehousing object. And there is the last one is data mart. Actually, data warehouse we created. These are data mart 1 2 3 kind of. These are our target. After target, uh, who is actually looking at they are the reporting tool. Reporting tool are any tools you can use, like in mostly market currently using by Power BI. or using OBI, Oracle OBI, or any tools like SAP, mostly to using BOBI. So you can use and visualize these report, right? To prepare the dashboard and Excel and then yeah, that's one using by the BI teams actually. So these are the actually your complete data warehousing architecture. Any question in architecture, Tanya and Ritika? Because this one is the basic concept, you understand, then it will be okay, right? You so that you know the what is the business process, then we can proceed. Because we work mostly only this place, ETL, because source is already there. We just connect the source and the target we just create. ETL and this one, but target is also handled by the DBA team. We just say yeah, we use that particular data warehouse. They just give in, but yeah, purely handling this one concept, we just installing the Informatica and using that. Complete is our developer part. We are using the transformation part. Silence means no, right?